Here's how to make a Microsoft account in Mojo Launcher. First is go ahead and click on your Mojo Launcher application on any device that you have. Once you click on that, at the very top, you will see the Add Account options. So what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on the Add Account options that you can go ahead and add to your account will appear such as Microsoft, ely.buy account, and local account. Now click on the Microsoft account so that you can go ahead and add Microsoft account on your Mojo Launcher. Afterwards, what you need to do is to put on the email or username that you use on your Microsoft account, and then afterwards click on Next. After clicking on Next, you need to put on other necessary details such as your nickname, email, account password, and set up the password that you just made from your Microsoft account and click on Register. And that is how you add Microsoft account to Mojo.